Welcome guys. Let's do Cardano ADA technical analysis and price prediction. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel. Join me on Telegram and Twitter. Links are in this video's description. And please watch this video complete for my targets and new charts. This is ADA 4 hourly chart and here you can see it is currently is at $2.14 right now. If I zoom this, you can see this is upper trend line and it is the main trend line, and Cardano trying to break this but unfortunately fails to break this. Now currently it is at $2.14 right now. Here it are some levels to break for Cardano. First level is $2.17 to break. After that, this is the main level to break, and once it break this upper trend line, in that case Cardano price definitely will boost, and after that it have to break this level and this level. These are some immediate short-term target for the Cardano. Once Cardano break $2.17, in that case, let me please show you the target. In that case, it will break both trend lines, upper horizontal trend line, horizontal resistance line, and this main trend line, and the target will be like this. This will be the target, $2.28. But for this, it have to break this zone. This is very important zone to break for the Cardano. Once Cardano price break this and close 4 hourly candle above this, then it have to break this upper trend line. Then it can easily hit $2.18, $2.36, and $2.85. Let me please show you my indicators. First of all, EMA ribbon. Candles are trying to break this 4 hourly EMA ribbon, but unfortunately candles fails. And here you can see, if I zoom this, you can see candles are still trying to break this EMA ribbon. Once candle closing above $2.16, in that case Cardano will move towards upside, otherwise it will be moved sideways like this. And let me please hide this, and let me please show you the RSI and MACD. RSI is below 50 and it is bearish now. It have to cross 50. In that case uptrend will begin and we have to wait. Here you can see 4 hourly MACD crossover is about to happen towards upside, and towers are changing their color, and a little green tower is appearing. Its mean price of the Cardano definitely will go up, I think so, but until now we have to wait. These are the targets and these are immediate short-term targets. You can note down these targets. Cardano can easily hit these targets in very less time, maybe within some days. Let me please show you daily chart of Cardano. This is the daily chart of Cardano and it is in this symmetrical triangle. This is upper trend line, this is down trend line. It is about to break this. Once it break this, in that case we can set the target. Once it break towards upside, in that case our target will be, if it break this towards this towards upside, in that case our target will be like this, $2.60. It is the minimum target and it is the target of this symmetrical triangle breakout. And if unfortunately it break towards downside, in that case our target will be, I am not saying that it can break towards downside, but we have to measure both targets. This is the bearish target, but most of the chances that Cardano will break this towards upside and it will hit this target, $2.60. And after that it will face, it can face resistance at that level, and that is important level. Here you can see previously it was rejected from this zone 2 times and maybe 3 times. Here you can see, but the next level it have to break is this level, $2.79, and after that this level, 2.96, and after that this level, all-time high level, $3.09. Let me please show you some indicators. First of all, EMA ribbon. Candles trying to break this daily EMA ribbon, but unfortunately it is still below. These candles are still below. That is why price is going down. Once candles broke this and closed daily candle above $2.25, in that case definitely price will boost, and after that it will hit 2.60, 2.80, 2.96, and $3. These are the targets, and it can hit these targets. And let me please show you the RSI. Daily RSI is about at 46. Once it crosses 50 level, in that case price definitely will boost. Daily MACD crossover, but towers are still very low and there is no volume, and I think price can move sideways. Once big volume comes, in that case price will move heavily. And here you can see volume is not coming, volume is very low. And let me please show you my main indicator, that is the CPR indicator. And here you can see these three yellow lines are main CPR monthly lines, support lines, starting from 2.23, 2.36, and $2.50. These are the lines. Once Cardano price break these levels, in that case these main CPR support levels will be turned into support, and after that our first bullish target will be, this is monthly CPR targets. These are monthly CPR targets, and this is first CPR target, this is second CPR target, and this will be the third CPR target. And if unfortunately it fails to break this, in that case the bearish CPR target is that area, same area I mentioned. If it break this symmetrical triangle towards downside, in that case price can go down to 1.70, maybe $1.65. Note down these levels. These levels are very important. These are the levels to hold. Let me please show you my weekly chart. This is weekly chart, and weekly it was rejected from $3.09, and it is at $2.14 right now. This is support line is at $1. This is support line is at $1.89. These are the support lines, and this is the horizontal resistance level. If I zoom this and if I show you the main fib levels to trade, in that case you can find easily the upcoming targets. Here you can see it break this first level and 0.23, and it is in between 0.23 and 0.38 Fibonacci level. It can hit this zone $1.95, and it is at 0.38 Fibonacci level. If it broke this, in that case 0.5 Fibonacci level is the next level, and it is at $1.59. And after that the golden pocket 0.61, and it is at 1.24. But I don't think price can go down to hit this zone, but this zone is very important, 0.5 Fibonacci level. It is at $1.59 price area, and if it break this area 0.23 and it is at $2.40, in that case definitely price will go up. This is my technical analysis, guys. If you like this, then please subscribe my channel, hit the bell icon, share this video with all of your friends, and please keep supporting me. And this is the main line it have to hold. Maybe this is more valid than the previous one. Maybe price can go down to hit this zone $1.70, and it is very important level. I told you before 1.65 $1.70 will be the next area to hold. And if you want to get these bounces, Binance $700 bonus, Pmex $1,200 bonus, Bybit $3,500 bonus, KuCoin $100 bonus, and Huobi $117 bonus. Total bonus is $5,680. Click on these links and create your accounts. You can find these links and in this video's description and in this video's comment section. Click on these links, create your account, and after initial deposit and verification you can get these bonuses, and these are very valid bonuses, and you can trade with these bonuses. And please keep supporting me, and please note down these levels. These are immediate short-term targets for the Cardano. These are the medium duration target for the Cardano, and these are the fib levels to trade for the Cardano. Thanks for the watching, and please keep supporting me. Take care.